Bees. Tiny, buzzing, and absolutely essential. They pollinate the food we eat, keep ecosystems thriving, and of course, give us honey. But behind every thriving hive is a beekeeper, someone who cares for these incredible creatures, making sure they stay healthy and strong. If you're thinking about becoming one, welcome to Farmer's Diary Africa. Beekeeping is a rewarding journey, filled with wonder, a little bit of patience, and a whole lot of buzzing. But did you know beekeeping can also be a great source of income? From selling honey to selling their beeswax, there are plenty of ways to turn your passion into profit. So, where do you start? What do you need? And how do you make sure your bees are happy, productive, and profitable? Let's take a closer look at the amazing world of beekeeping, one step at a time. Before you start keeping bees, it helps to know who you're working with. Inside every hive, there's a queen, the mother of the colony. She lays thousands of eggs and keeps everything running smoothly. Then, there are worker bees, the real powerhouses. They forage, build honeycomb, care for baby bees, and protect the hives. Finally, we have the drones, the only males in the colony. Their job? Mating with a queen. And that's it. Every bee has a role, and together they create one of nature's most organized societies. As a beekeeper, your job isn't to control them, but to give them the best chance to thrive. Okay, so you're ready to get started. First things first, where should you put your hives? Bees like a spot that is sunny in the morning, sheltered from strong winds, and close to flowers and water. A good location means happy, productive bees. Now let's talk about the hive itself. Most beginners start with a Langstroth hive. That's the classic wooden box with removable frames where the bees build their combs. Other options include top bar hives or floor hives, but no matter the type, the goal is the same: creating a safe and structured home for your bees. And of course, you need the bees. You can start with a nucleus colony, a small, established colony with a queen, or a package of bees that will build their home from scratch. Either way, the first few weeks are all about making sure they settle in. Like any new skill, beekeeping is easier when you have the right tools. A bee suit, because let's be honest, things happen. A smoker, it helps keep the bees calm during inspections. A hive tool, your go-to for opening hives and handling frames. With this, you'll be able to work with your bees confidently and safely. Beekeeping isn't just about setting up a hive and waiting for the honey. You'll need to check on your bees regularly to make sure everything's going well. Every week or so, you'll need to open the hive to look for signs of a healthy queen, growing baby bees, and enough food stores. Are the bees bringing in pollen? Is the comb clean and well built? Any signs of pests or diseases? Over time, you'll start to read your hive, understand what's normal and when your bees might need a little help. Beekeeping has its ups and downs. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Pests like varroa mites can weaken a hive. Bad weather can slow honey production, and sometimes a queen may even leave the colony behind. But don't worry, learning to spot issues early, like mites on bees, weird brood patterns, or low activity, will help you step in before small problems become big ones. Beekeeping is all about observing, learning, and adapting. Beekeeping isn't just about a passion, it can also be a business. Here's how you can make money with your bees. First, there's honey, the most obvious and popular product. With just a few healthy hives, you can sell raw organic honey at local markets grocery stores, or even online. People love pure, locally sourced honey, and it's always in demand. But honey isn't the only product bees create. Beeswax can be turned into candles, lip balms, and soaps. Propolis, a resin-like substance collected by bees, has medicinal benefits and can be sold as a health product. And royal jelly, known for its nutritional value, is a premium product used in supplements and skincare. Another way to make money: pollination services. Farmers need bees to pollinate their crops, and beekeepers can rent out their hives to help increase yields. It's a win-win. Crops get pollinated and beekeepers get paid. And if you love sharing knowledge, you can even teach beekeeping workshops, sell starter colonies to new beekeepers, or set up educational experiences for schools and communities. With the right approach, beekeeping can go from a simple hobby to a thriving business. Beekeeping isn't just a hobby, it's a journey, a chance to learn, to connect with nature, and to play a part in protecting one of the world's most important creatures. It takes patience, care, and a little trial and error, but in return, you'll experience the magic of working with bees, the joy of your first honey harvest, and the satisfaction of knowing you're making a difference. So, if you're ready to take the leap, welcome to the world of beekeeping. It all starts with a single hive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who loves bees, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. I've been your host, Jamila Boyani.